Hello everyone. Now I will talk about the area chart. Area chart is similar to the line chart, but it is used to show the magnitude of changes between two or more data points, with the area between the x-axis and the line filled with the colors showing the volume of values. Area charts are a great way to show the volume of a trend across time, such as sales revenue per month. Now we will see both and compare area chart as well as line chart. Now click on the area chart icon. So now along the x-axis we'll move the time. We can select any order date. Now on the y-axis we'll move the sales. Now we can see the volume start from 2014 to 2017. From 2014 to 15 it going down, after that going up. So the shaded area in the sky blue color, it's showing the sales volume. Now we'll move profit to the secondary y-axis. Now Now we can see two different shaded area. Down one represents the sales volume, and between these two lines, dark blue color and light blue color represents the profit volumes here. And we can also see the value at different point of time here. So just click our cursor on the 2015 time. We can see sales and profit. So same here 2016 also we can see the similar trend. Now I will compare this area chart with the line chart. Now we'll do the same thing here. On the x-axis we'll move the time, more like order date, and y-axis we'll move the first sales. Now we can see the similarity between the area chart and line chart. So we can say there is no logical difference between the area chart and line chart.